You want to automate your uppercasing. So here we have some text in column A, and we want the output in column B to be uppercasing. If you just want to uppercase it with a formula, you would do 2, and you can do that the entire column here. But what if we wanted just to automate it if we typed in the A column some text, in the B column that is automatically uppercased? Or when we type it in the A column it's uppercased. I will show you how to do that. Go up to Extensions, App Script. So here let's take our function, call it on edit, put an E here for event. That is a little variable that's going to have some really cool information on. We'll know what row we're on by going e.range.getRow. And we can say if we're on the page called data, then we want to add in column B the uppercase version of A. So if, actually we need the sheet we're on, spreadsheet app.getActive sheet get name, if in parentheses sheet 2 equal signs data, then these curly brackets, we're going to go spreadsheet app.getActive spreadsheet get sheet by name. That data will be there, and for name, get range. Our range is going to be the row we're on. That is our variable up here. Which column are we in? We're in the second column, set value. And what is the value we want to set? Uppercased value. Where do we get that from? We go variable uppercased value is equal to, and we take all of this, paste it here. That's the data row, get range. We're on that row. We want the first column, and not set value, but get value. We're going to get the value that's in the row that we're on in the first column. Save everything, and let's just type in here one more row. And what do we have here? We have the text, but we haven't uppercased it. We have to add 2 uppercase. Now let's try here. One last row. There it is. In our B column, it is capitalized. So if we want the A column to be uppercased, then all we have to do is go to this row 9, and instead of the 2 column, we'll put in the 1 column. And now, one final uppercased row, I'll hit enter, and it'll uppercase it automatically. Isn't that cool? Isn't that amazing? I love automating. If you're interested in more, check out Spreadsheet Automation 101 over on Better Sheets, or on Udemy, check out Master Spreadsheet Automation. I'll put the link in the description below. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.